Are you sick of busting your knuckles or spending hours cleaning, polishing, and waxing your finishes? Flitz is here to help you out with our line of original buff balls that started it all. Grab your cordless or corded drill and attach the buffer, and away you go. Specially designed with the finest German viscose material, these self-cooling buff balls are washable, reusable, and will not heat up or tear like other foam buffers on the market today. Cut down your time today and pick up a Flitz buff ball.